Here's the thing, modern cars are good. They're fast, safe, packed with tech, but somewhere along the way, they stopped being about the driver. They're more like rolling iPads with cup holders than actual machines that make you feel something. Back in the 90s and early 2000s, car companies were still building machines that put the driver first. Lightweight, high revving, manual transmissions, and steering you could actually feel. Cars weren't perfect, but they had character. They made you work for it, and that's what made them fun. And one of the best examples of that philosophy is this AP1 Honda S2000. Welcome to Rear View Reviews, a new series I'm doing on my YouTube channel, and this is my debut video, so I hope you guys enjoy. The S2000 doesn't scream at you with fake vents, massive grills, or 1,000 LEDs. It's clean, balanced, and timeless. Long hood, short rear, pure roadster proportion. This car was born from Honda's golden era. They weren't chasing market trends, they were chasing perfection. And fun fact, the Honda S2000 was made to celebrate Honda's 50th anniversary, and it carried out the tradition of their old S-Series Roadsters from the 60s. This was Honda's way of saying, hey, we still know how to make a fun car. Under the hood is what really sets the AP1 apart, the F20C. It's a 2-liter inline-4 that makes 240 horsepower and revs to 9,000 RPM. To put that in perspective, most cars today redline at 6,000, maybe 7,000 if you're lucky. The S2000 practically begs you to keep your foot in it, to chase that VTEC crossover like it's the last level of a video game. The engine wasn't turbocharged, supercharged, or electric boosted. Just pure Honda engineering, and it held the world record for most horsepower per liter in a production naturally aspirated engine for nearly a decade. The driving experience is where the Honda destroys most modern cars. A new top-of-the-line Camry would probably hang with it off the light, but in terms of feel, the AP1 has a 50-50 weight distribution. It's rear-wheel drive and steering that actually communicates with you. You can tell when this thing's about to wrap you around the tree. Every input you make, whether it's throttle, braking, steering, gear shifting, has an immediate reaction. This car also has one of the best feeling gearboxes I've ever experienced in my life. Honda gave it razor sharp handling, so if it lifts up on you mid-corner, then you're probably gonna see the pearly gates a little sooner than you thought. But honestly, that's part of the thrill. That's why we love impractical cars, fun cars, because, well, you never know what's gonna happen. So why don't new cars feel like this anymore? There's a few reasons. Safety regulations. Cars today have to meet crash standards, emission rules, pedestrian safety, and all that adds weight and complexity. Technology overload. Car makers pack in screens, sensors, driver assist because that's what sells. But it dilutes the connection between you and the machine. Market demand. Let's be real. Most buyers today want comfort, efficiency, and convenience, not a 9,000 RPM redline. So cars are built for the average commuter, not the enthusiast. The result, cars are objectively better, but subjectively a lot less fun. Inside the S2000 feels like it was designed by the driver. The digital dash looks like something from an arcade. The shifter is so short and precise, it feels like Honda hired a samurai swordsmith to design it. And the whole cabin just wraps around you. There's no giant tablet, there's no fake engine noise, no heated massaging cup holders, just the essentials. The steering wheel, pedals, shifter, and a rev counter that dares you to hit 9,000. Now, don't get me wrong, there are a couple things the interior does have that are kind of elegant and also essential. One is the hidden radio and the cup holder. But I don't actually need to use that cup holder because Renashi hooked me up. Check this out. Appreciate that, Renashi. A couple fun facts about the Honda S2000. The AP1 S2000 had one of the shortest production runs for a Honda performance car, 1999 to 2003, before the AP2 came in from 2004 to 2009. It was one of the last Hondas built when engineers had more say than marketers, and you can feel that. The AP1 Honda S2000 is a reminder of what we lost, a time when cars didn't try to do everything for you, a time when driving was the feature. It's raw, it's challenging, and it's incredibly rewarding. And even though modern cars might be faster and smarter, very few make you feel this connected. So yeah, new cars are fine, but give me a 20-year-old Honda that revs to the moon and I'll take that over any new car made today. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my debut YouTube video and I hope to make this a series. The Toyota MR2 is next. Yeah, let me know what you think, and yeah, leave a like for the Honda S2000.